Hello and welcome to O1 Code channel. My name is Omar. In this video, I am going to make a product code by using HTML and CSS. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At first, I am going to add some HTML tags in our index.html. Okay, now we are going to refresh our document like this. Then I'm going to add styles from style.css. Control S, refresh. As you see, the page is scrolling. We need to remove this scroll. We are going to add position relative to dot main and dot product card position up. And now I'm going to make the product card. Then I'm going to add something to index.html to declare our divs. As we see in this page, we need to make at first our header, and then we are going to make this footer. Okay, first we need to have a div by the name of, here we need to have a div for class name of header. As you see, we have 3 divs in here, 1 div, 2 div, and 3 divs. We are going to declare them in here. As you see, we have 3 divs in here, the main, woman, and kid div, and the logo div, and here my account and shop div. We are going to style them from style.css. As you see, our divs are align vertically like this. Okay, now we are going to add more styles, like adding styles to this header left side. Ctrl C, Ctrl S, dot V. We need to have something display flex. Align. We need to have these styles like this, and we are going to add another div by the name of footer. Refresh. Now we need to style the footer. The header side, we need to have a height of 20% of the height will be to the header. 20% of the height will be specified for the header, and a height of 80% will be for the footer. I think it's enough for this video. Follow me to the next video. I am going to add more details to this product card.